These are how I keep my spiderlings. This is a Crass Eunice. So there's a molt there. It's molted its skin. Just pop that down there. Usually I fill them up to about here with the cocoa peat, but this one's been in here since December, so it's compacted a little bit. This one's webbed it up quite nicely, but there is a half a pot plant in there that I use as a hide for the spiders. But this one's really made a nice web system. Not too sure where it is at the moment. It's actually a tunnel in there. It's hidden in one of its tunnels. So basically, all I do, once a week, quick spray, usually about 3 squirts. Then using about small to medium sized crickets at the moment, give them a little bit of a squish and pop them in, and then lid back on, because I've got lots of them, so I don't have the time to watch them all eat. But this has got no holes in it because they like the high humidity, and they've actually only got very small lungs, so I open it up once a week, and that's how I do that. I'll get another one so you can find one that's lively. It's a Strenny. Again, got the half the pot system. Just trying to find the spider. They're all hiding tonight. I think I can see an old molt there. Either that or it's in the process of molting. No, that's an old molt, so I'll get that out too. So they're feeding and molting really quickly. Cricket in, lid on. What else have we got? This is a Sarina. See the condensation on the lid. This one's actually got a tunnel built in, and again, can't find the spider, well hidden. Grab a cricket. I just know that the second I turn the camera off and stop filming, I'm going to open up and find an active spider. But I've got a lot of spiders to go through, so just have a quick look, see if I can see any on the surface. Not very much luck here. This is an SP black. Ah, there we are. See the little bobber there? Can only just sort of see it. If I try to... No. Sometimes if you gently press they'll come out, but they usually retreat. grabbing another cricket. Alright, I'll turn the camera off now and keep going. If I find one that's actually active out of this bunch here, I'll start filming again.